Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Agicap. We are going to talk about anything you basically should know as a beginner to start with this beautiful app, what it actually is, how can we use it to boost our cash flow, and many more. Furthermore, we are going to peek into the Agicap so we exactly know how to get inside and how to work in it, at least as a beginner, so it's not too much for you. So how can we start this one? So Agicap is a compact cash flow management software that helps small and medium enterprises with their day-to-day cash flow monitoring and task automation. At present, 3,500 and more companies depends on Agicap to proceed with seamless cash flow management. The software, with its reliable cash flow forecast functionality, helps businesses make better strategic decisions using the information provided. Moreover, active integrations with external accounting tools, banks, and invoicing platforms save a lot of users' time. It also enables businesses to get a clear-cut view of the available information related to their bank's accounts with just a single click. They can run a detailed analysis of individual expenses with Agicap's inbuilt dashboard. These reports can also be exported as per convenience to get further loans. Large groups working together can depend on software to obtain a consolidated view of overall expenses in a single click. It's meant to be for all the businesses, small, medium, large, and I would say even individuals can get insight into it. So don't worry, you don't always have to be biggest players on the market to get the deal with the sweetest of the options or sweetest of the apps that they don't cost the fortune and they don't really ruin your ruin you money wise. So we are going to try it for free, but before we start I would love to check out the pricing, but the pricing is custom. There are no bundles that you should get a grasp on, but just the custom option. Well, I'm gonna go and try it for free. So first name John, last name, let's go with King, and I'm not John but Matt. Business email, let's go like this. Phone number is actually mandatory. Contact job title, let's say finance manager, and turnover 0 to 50k. They are operating in pounds, so that's really something that we should consider. I believe we can also change it, that's not a problem. And country, we are at the moment only working in Switzerland, Spain, Portugal, Netherlands, Luxembourg, Italy, Germany, France, and many more. Well, sadly, I'm not in any of those, but closest is Austria. So let's get started. Password, okay. So they're protected, okay, create, never. Company name in Agicap. Let's go with Met Company. Country of the company. There's no Austria. Oh, it's first actually. Okay, please select industry. Let's go with construction. And start with our beautiful campaign. I would rather start alone. Start with free trial. Okay, and here we are. Those are some pre-made, as you can see, mock data that we can easily delete. We can easily delete if we want to start with something new. So delete mock data, so we will get rid of all those extra stuff that maybe can, how to say it, deceive us. And on the left side, if we want to focus on the left side, we have cash flow, we have payments, cash collect, and yeah, the options or the settings. Get paid on time by taking control. We can start a free trial as well with cash collect, but we are not going to do it in this video. And here we are, cash flow in a bank. We can connect the bank, but obviously I don't really want to do it. I don't really want to do it in here. Expected transaction, custom dashboards, and also the categories. Sorry, this is a blank overview of the Agicap. So cash flow at the bank, unique cash flow. We have, as you can see, cash outflow. There's a lot of options that we can really turn. Manage and pay your supplier invoice from the same interface, request a demo. So as you can see, even though you don't really need that much to start with Agicap, or Agicap, I don't know how we can pronounce it. We definitely need a premium to unlock the premium features. And that's something that maybe not a lot of people can appreciate, so to speak. Other than that, basically all we have is cash flow. First of all, we have to connect the bank, which is straight away a little bit, I'm not gonna say fishy, but even though it's a free trial, you don't really, they just asking you to connect the bank. So that's something that it's a little bit weird for me. Other than that, refresh computation, we won't move further if we haven't connected the bank. So search and add banks. Obviously now they are not playing only with 5 banks, but you can also go with tons of other banks, which is really nice and really fancy. Still no Slovakia, so they are not definitely. There is Slovakian bank. What bank do you wish to connect? Let's go with Tatra Banka, ASTB Slovakia, and then you can easily connect it. No account to display. We can easily connect it like this. So this FinAPI, bank login to your bank. They are using third party to provide this connection. And they are trying to get you to Tatra Banka. Don't worry, this is going to be in Slovak language. I don't even own an account there, so that's a little bit silly of me. But yeah, as you can see, it is going to take some time to actually finish the whole experience, let's say. Well, yeah, other than that, all you have to do is use your bank, connect it, and you're good to go. I strongly recommend you doing it, at least to try, because without that you won't have any perception of how the Agicap works. Also, they are providing very nice demo, and yeah, if you have any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.